Do you really want to transform in your life? Do you really want to get success in your life? And are you willing to become much more smarter and active? Then one of the best solution will be reading books. So to know more about that, let's get into the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Revive with Rupa. This is Rupa. Today's video is all about reading books and how to inculcate the habit of reading books. Coming to the benefits, there are lots of benefits, but some interesting benefits are that it actually expands your brain power, it improves your analytical thinking, it sharpens your brain memory, it actually relaxes your brain. If you read just 6 minutes in a day, it relaxes your stress by 68%. It actually improves and affects the analytical, intellectual, emotional, psychological state of your mind. And one of the best benefit is that every one of us will have some mentor or guide or some inspiration within us. We can't actually directly meet them. So books will be the best connection between them and us. So start reading books. Then how to start reading books? For the beginners, don't worry, even I am a beginner. I have started from past few months ago. Just start buying books which are cheaper in cost, and don't buy lots of books at a time. Just buy 2 to 3 books at a time, and just think that book as your friend. It's not a one time event, it is not responsibility for you to complete at a stretch. You can read whenever you want, as same as how regularly you will meet your friend. And there is no rule that you have to read the book from page 1 to page ending. Just read whatever you like. If you find interest in it, then only you can go for that. Otherwise, you can stop reading that book and you can change for the other book. There are lots of books. You can read according to your interests. And our main motto has to be that we should read at least 20 minutes in a day. And our goal should be we should complete 2 books in a month if we are initially started to read. And if you don't find interest in reading books by sitting in a corner, then start listening the books. In this modern world, we have many other ways. Like if you are an Amazon Prime member, you can even listen to the free audio books. You can listen while you are cooking, while you are washing, while you are playing, and it will actually inculcate the habit of at least listening to that book. And if you are not a person who wants to invest in books, in buying the books, then just go for reading the free books which are already available in YouTube. But our main aim is to inculcate the habit of reading books, which actually bring the new form of you. Then how to maintain the consistency in reading the books? It is the main thing which actually one needs to have. We'll start with a very good positive mind in ourselves, but we can't continue after 1 week or after 10 days. To maintain that consistency, we actually should develop some good habits in ourselves. Like while sleeping, we'll end our day by watching at our mobiles. Instead of that, replace our mobile with a book. And by reading, if you sleep, your sleep will be a sound sleep. Once after you complete reading a book, just post in your social media platforms that as you have completed reading 1 book or 2 books in a month. It actually brings some inner proud feeling for us. And even your friends will get motivated because of you, and even they can start reading. And don't keep the books wherever in some corners like that. Keep in front of your eyes. Just make them to be visible to you. At least it will create some interest in you. And start buying 2 to 3 books at a time. As you have invested some money on that, it actually makes us to read. I think this is the best tip for us. And our main aim is that we should start reading books. What happens if we don't start reading books now? Actually, our brain will be limited to a little knowledge, and we can't even correlate the things what are happening around us, and our brain becomes less focused and less concentrated, and it even becomes dull. So it won't give a chance to make us smarter than now. So start reading books. Coming to the children's aspect, there are some exclusive secrets for the children, that their brain has a reason which is already dedicated to reading even before the children learn to read. And the children who reads 10 lakh words in a year are in the top 2% of their reading achievement. Coming to the third aspect, that the reading is the fastest way to build vocabulary. By this, they can learn 4,000 to 12,000 new words in a year. And for the children, those who are having books of their own interest apart from their school books, then they will be 3 years in advance to their schooling. So parents who are having children from the age 4, instead of buying lots of toys, just start buying books of their interest. Actually, they'll have the ability to receive lots of information at that particular age. So for their bright future, start buying books and inculcate the habit of reading books from the younger ages itself. This is a list of life-changing books given by my mentor Ankit Nirav sir, who is one of the youngest entrepreneurs. The links of the books I will give it in the description box. So please check out. Apart from all of this, the only best suggestion I can give, that it's your own willpower which actually makes you or breaks you. So just you decide that I will start creating this habit in me. Even I have started just now. I am traveling along with you. You also start and inculcate this, the best habit which you ever can make in your life. Start reading the books, and it is the best investment one can make on himself or herself. It will actually change your life like anything. So please do start reading books. The final words of this video is that the money spent on your education has cheapest cost and the highest returns of investment. So start spending on your education and have a bright future. If you really like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon such that you can get my video updates. And share this video with your family and friends if you find it as useful. This is Rupa. Have a great day.